to show you how you can make an unsecure site to secure with an extension called as HTTPS everywhere. Not only that, there are tons of extensions which can do the same as HTTPS everywhere, just like Smart HTTPS as an example. So first we have to click on add to extension, and if you want to download it, the link is there in the description below. So click on add extension. And now we go here, and now we pin this extension, and now we're going to use the HTTPS everywhere. Right now the extension is on, so let's go to my unsecure site and see if this works or not. Right now I'm in one unsecure site, as you see. Right now I have the HTTPS everywhere on, so let's just redo the page. So guys, as you see, the connection is secure. That means it actually made an unsecure site to secure. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell so you can notify when any type of content video be like this uploaded.